The demand for larger and more efficient wind turbines means manufacturers are expected to improve production efficiency while at the same time continuing to meet safety, environmental, and cost requirements. Enerpac solutions for machining and heavy lifting are trusted in the wind industry to meet these challenges head-on. Our WP Series orbital milling machines are purpose-designed to seamlessly integrate into your turbine blade production process while achieving global industry flatness tolerances. Enerpac hydraulic heavy lifting equipment provides the force and control needed to safely and accurately move large elements throughout the various stages of manufacturing, including portable hydraulic gantries for lifting large items from above, compact self-locking cube jacks for synchronized lifting using stacked steel barrels, hydraulic skidding systems for horizontal movement in low-height areas, electric trolleys for smoother, more precise movement, and hydraulic turntables for controlled rotation of heavy loads during lifting or skidding procedures. Invest in ultra-reliable, safe, precise Enerpac equipment and take your turbine manufacturing to new heights. Speak to an Enerpac Wind Tools expert today.